Hi, this is Dr. Wiletha Williams, and we are coming to you live this afternoon from Digital Dope Studios here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I want to welcome each and every one of you to the podcast. Today, we're talking about wellness. We're talking about optimal, vibrant health. This is that health that you need to do everything that you want to do. Sometimes you want to do different things, you want to make that contribution to your family, to your community, but you might have a pain, or you might be tired, or you just run out of steam. So, we are here to give you some lifestyle shifts that will enhance the possibility of you having that energy that you need, having uh, be able to sustain throughout the day into the evening, to be able to enjoy life. And that is what this is all about, lifestyle shifts. There are some basic principles that we need to follow in order to achieve that optimal, vibrant wellness. Some of them, we know that we have to pay attention to what we are eating. We today we call it mindful eating, not just grabbing something off the shelf, but actually planning our meals. If you're looking down at your plate, you want to see that rainbow. If you see just brown and white, that's not the right plate, okay? You want to see all the colors on there. You want to see green, red, yellow, orange, blue, purple. These pigments all support different body functions, so we need all of them. They all work together. Okay? When we are choosing our foods, we also want to look at that. You don't want additives. Additives are something that we really don't want in the body. If you're looking at ingredients, which I hope you will be, and you see a word that you cannot pronounce, there's a word you do not know, then that needs to stay on the shelf. That doesn't come in the basket. That doesn't come in your cart. Okay. So, real food, organic whenever possible. If you can't get organic, you can go ahead and get frozen, but be aware again, reading the ingredients. Because if those ingredients are fake ingredients, they're artificial, they can be damaging to your health. So, that is one of the foundations, is being able to get the right nutrition. You want to get water. You want to stay hydrated around the clock, not just to have a big gulp of water at one point in the day, but to stay hydrated throughout the day. A great goal would be to have 4 ounces every hour throughout the day to stay hydrated. You want to have proper sleep and rest. 7 or 8 hours is the goal each and every night. Okay. And it's best if you can go at the same time. Make sure you are in a cool, dark, quiet room. That is the best rest. And do not have cell phones and other electronics near your bed. You want to have that at least 3 feet away from your head for safety's sake. Okay. The other thing is elimination. Make sure you are going, if you have one meal in, one meal out. So if you have 2 or 3 meals per day, you should be using the bowel movement 2 or 3 times per day also. Okay. Dealing with stress is important also. Make sure you're not holding that stress, okay? Because that can be actually damaging to your health. It can actually cause you to need nutrients at a much higher level. So make sure you are supplementing. Everyone needs a daily multiple vitamin, comprehensive daily multiple vitamin. And the one I use is called Action, Axion. And you can contact me for information where to obtain it, because you cannot just buy it in the store. This one has to be special ordered. And of course, if you got this podcast by way of a friend, contact them. They can probably tell you how to get Action, but it is great. It has all your vitamins, minerals, probiotics, enzymes, you name it, and it's all in a time release formula. So it carries you over a 24-hour period. But make sure you are getting a good multiple. Make sure you're getting antioxidants. Make sure you're getting your advanced omega. That's very important. Now, today I wanted to address one of the very common health challenges that we're having, and that is hypertension or high blood pressure. What can we do specifically if you are faced with a blood pressure issue. First of all, you need to be tested because you need to know where you are at any given point. But our goal is to help you to achieve your wellness goal without total dependence on prescriptions. So we need to make some changes. Well, of course, some of the ones we mentioned can support that goal, especially hydration. The other one is avoiding sweets and simple carbohydrates because you know those simple carbs, they turn into sweets and that drives blood pressure up. So that is something you want to be aware of. Okay. It's not just diabetes, it's blood pressure also, the sweets and the simple carbs, because the simple carbs are processed in the body just like the sweets. So that is one thing you want to limit or avoid. Okay. So testing, avoiding sweets, staying hydrated, eating a rainbow. There are some foods that actually support having a healthy blood pressure. You can add celery has been very good. 5 stalks per day of celery. Adding that in. Garlic is another one. These are very good. All those nice green veggies, especially the raw. You want to actually strive to get 80% raw in your diet if possible. That is the best goal. Or if you are going to cook the food, just have it lightly steamed, okay? Just lightly steamed, no fried food and all that. So having a healthy weight is important for blood pressure also. So if you have a BMI that's is up too high, you want to go ahead and lose that excess weight, lose those pounds. And mobility is very important. Moving, you have to move. Walking is a great addition. If you can just, even just taking the stairs or walking around the block, sometimes it can be just a short walk, even on a break at work, can be very effective at helping with that weight loss and helping with that blood pressure. But stress is another important thing. You want to make sure you are controlling stress. Make sure, hey, maybe you need to make a list, a to do list before you lay down at night so that your brain isn't turning those chores over and over all night. Just write it down and you have that list to start the day. In fact, this is a way to get more done because you get up and you start with your list. So have a stress regime. Have a way that you are handling stress, um, and make sure you are getting your supplements. Make sure you are eating a rainbow, um, and just move. You have to move, whether it's walking, taking the stairs, or just chores. Sometimes I just go outside and wash the car. That might seem outlandish, but anytime you are moving, it is really helping with your wellness goals. So, again, this is Dr. Wiletha Williams. You can find me at askdrwiletha.com. You can send me email hello at askdrwiletha.com. Just get back with the person who forwarded you the podcast, and they can help you connect. We are here to come alongside you and help you to learn more strategies to enhance our wellness. That is our goal because you know when we know more, we can do more, and we can be stronger in our commitment to health and vitality. So again, ask Dr. Waleetha .com, or you can actually call me directly 404-642-3525. 404-642-3525. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you very, very soon. Bye bye.